Assalamu alaikum, this is me Samina and you are watching Multifarious Fun. Today in this video I am going to tell you about how you can create Gmail account, because if you want to create a channel on YouTube you need a Gmail account. So if you guys don't know how to create Gmail account, I am going to tell you in step-by-step process, and it is very easy. If you follow the exact steps then there will be no problem. So the first step is open your Google search engine and type Gmail sign up. Then on second number you will see create your Google account / Google accounts. Click on that link. Then click on add account. I already have 3 accounts with Gmail, so they are showing there. You just have to click on add account. In next step it will ask you your mobile phone password just for security check. So in this step you just have to give your mobile phone password. After that just click on create account. Then give your first name and last name. Then it will ask you some basic information like your birthday or a gender. You just have to put the information. Then it will give you some options, but if you don't like any option then you can create your own Gmail address as well. Then it's time to set your password. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols, and then click the next. So the next step is it will ask you about your phone number. You can definitely skip this step, but I definitely recommend you to add your phone number in this step. The reason why I'm saying this, there is a lot of time when you don't have internet access, and meanwhile if somebody tried to sign in your Gmail account, you will not be able to read your Gmail security alert. But if you add your phone number at this step, you will be able to get a Gmail security alert on your mobile phone number, because Gmail team send a security alert both on your phone number as well as on your email. So I definitely recommend you to add your phone number. So after that choose an option add my number for account security only, and then click done. In this step add your phone number and click on next. In this it will just ask you to review your account info. You just have to click on next. In this step it will ask you to agree on their privacy and terms of services. You just have to click on I agree. So the first thing you have to do right after your Gmail account has been created is go to your notes in your mobile phone and write down your Gmail account, Gmail sign in and your password, because most of the people forget their passwords. Google send you verification code on your mobile phone number. You just don't have to delete it, just keep this message in your inbox. Now click the Gmail option in your phone. And here you can see the new Gmail account I just have created. Just click on that. And there you go, your new Gmail account has been created. Let's get started. Welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps and services, and it gives you few tips to get you started. After that just click on your YouTube button, and if you don't have YouTube app you just have to download on by your Play Store. Just click on right button option. I'm already signed in by my channel account, so I just have to click on switch account. After that select the new Gmail account you have just created. Then you can see the right corner button, just click on that. Click on your channel. In this step just type your channel name, just like my channel name is Multifarious Fun. And this is the interface of your YouTube channel. You just have to click on above a video tab. And there you go, you can upload your video. So this is the whole process of how you can create your Gmail account. In my next video, I'm going to tell you about an app which you will need to monitor your YouTube channel. The name of that app is YouTube Studio. So keep watching my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye.